How to delete Instagram saved password from Google. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to launch the Play Store application and make sure that you're logged into your account that you have saved the Instagram password on. So tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and select on Manage your Google account. As you do that, swipe it and tap on Security. As you tap on Security, scroll down to the very end where you can see the option of Password Manager. Scroll down and here you can see the option of Instagram. So tap on Instagram and verify yourself. After that, you'll be able to see your password. So if you want to delete the Instagram saved password, you can see the option of delete at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on delete and it will give you a pop-up that your Instagram account won't be deleted, or your delete if you really want to delete password for Instagram. You can simply tap on delete, and that's how you can delete Instagram saved password from Google. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.